Well, excuse me. Customers. I was going to a customer's house, and one of the ladies that works there, her car blew a brake line in the parking area, so they got a big tow truck over there now. And I'm just killing some time here. A little hike on this Blue Blaze. I haven't been up here before, even though I drive by it all the time. Yeah, so she said I have a pretty good mess to clean up. I wonder what I'll use, brake parts cleaner or something. I don't know. I never saw these steps up here. I've never been here before. You know, I've been learning a lot about frames per second on these video shots. And what I was doing the whole time was importing or creating my projects in 24.9p frames per second. And you know, I just started researching the other day, and it's like my regular camera shoots at 30 frames per second, and this GoPro right now is shooting at 60 frames per second. So the more frames, it's better for your slow motion action stuff when you slow it down to half speed or something. And so now I'm setting everything at 29. I'm going to do this as a test at 60 because it's just all GoPro footage. When you have it mixed, like from the camera and the GoPro, like I did with the alligator video, I just ran it as, the option of 29.9p frames per second, and it came out pretty darn good. So learning more with this video stuff, and I think that's a lot of what this is about. It's just a creative thing, a little outlet. Can take people along out here. It's beautiful. And this is the time of year to be out here because many of the tourists aren't here. This town goes from 1,000 population to 10,000. It gets pretty wild. Here we are. This is as far as I'm going to go on this today. It's a good view of the lake. Florida was a lot of fun. I was really tired afterwards. That was action-packed adventure. Only for the weekend. It was direct flight out of Grand Rapids to Orlando on a Friday. Went kayaking that Friday and just had dinner and all that. And the next day we went up to the Black Hammock. I picked the spot and I got 13 people to agree with me to go, and they loved it. It was a great time. And then we went to the beach after that, which is another video. It's not real spectacular, but you know, I love seeing those pelicans fly around. It's really cool. I would have liked to spend more time there for the beach a little bit. And then Sunday we went to Epcot, which, you know, now I can say, yeah, I did it. I don't think I'll go back. And then Monday we flew out and got back to town about 1 in the afternoon, so it was pretty intense. Plus all the walking, I mean, hiking like through Epcot and stuff. We did the whole park, but we didn't do all the rides and all that. You know, the foods of the world, or whatever they call it, was interesting. You go through the little towns of different cities throughout the world. You know, somewhere in France and China and Morocco or whatever. And we ended up eating in Mexico, which was good. That's where we had the tequila shots finally. They were good, with a little bit of tomato juice on the end there. But we'll head back to this job site and see what kind of situation I've got going on there. And this video is almost 7 minutes long. There's a car. So, signing out. Hope this comes out good. Whoa. Yeah, so this is the brake fluid mess. It's not bad. I'm gonna clean that up easy. Just glad she's alright. Everyone have a great day. See you. Bye.